Hey guys, today we're gonna do a quick video on how to change or to patch a tire on the sidewalls of a mower. In my case, it's on the inside, that makes it a little bit difficult. So I have Victor to use and the plugs. Anyways, the first thing you're gonna need is to find the hole, and I also have a bottle of some soap and water, and I have it jacked up the ground, put it up, all set up already. My bench on the side, my tools we're gonna take out on the side. We're gonna give it air. It does not hold air for too long, so we're just gonna fold it up, mark where it is, and we're gonna get to it. Okay, you can hear it, so it's right there. Right there. See? So I gotta keep this right there. Push this in, so I know where it is. I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna close that. I'll keep this in the on position so I could turn the tire. I already went ahead and do the other side, so it makes the wheel turn freely. And just push it in, cutting out that space. Okay guys, I already have it in, so don't fall. Anyways, so we have two strips here for the plugs. You want to use the one on the outside, you see. So when I use one, I just seal up the outside so it doesn't stay or get too dry. So now I'm gonna take out the one on the outside. Okay guys, so as you could see, I took this, slide this in the pin, and what you want to do is to pull it halfway of the plug, like up to here. And then you're gonna remove this one, and then you're gonna push it in place of where this is or where the hole is. So as you can see, I pushed it in. You don't want to push it all the way in. And then I hope I could do this with one hand on the phone. Okay guys, I got it in, and now we're gonna give it air and spray up with the soap and water. Okay guys, so in a perfect world, I usually keep it at 22 psi, and in a perfect world, if you have some glue to stick this whilst you doing it, that would be good. So hopefully it does not leak. As you can see, no bubbles. So no bubbles, no bubbles, no bubbles, no bubbles. Gonna put the jack down so the weight is gonna go on it. As you can see, no bubbles. Okay, there's another trick. There is another trick I should have done before I had even waited. You just light this up. Hope it's kind of light. Just to cut on the length of the actual plug. Hey guys, this is basically like doing a vehicle as well. Same procedure for the vehicle. I know it's a bit wet, so and it's windy. If you see the phone is the camera is shaking because I'm trying to do a couple of things at the same time, and it's windy. Ah, there's a fire right there. Wow, look at right there. Oops, see, it's windy. So anyways, we'll just forget about that for now. Let it do its thing, and if it goes down or whatever, the wind goes down, then we'll be able to get back at it and finish the job of properly doing it. There we go. See? Once you put it in, that wind is just gonna blow it out. Try not to blow it or burn your tire. All I'm trying to do is just get that thing down, and like a friend said to me, an old fireman said to me back in the day, spit it out. Get it. I don't need that whole lighter anyways. It'd been better to do it with a flat scraper or something, but this is for the video. As you can see. Come on. Right there. Not one single bubble. Okay. Anyways, thanks guys for watching. In my case, I'm using it on the Toro 010, and it's not that hard to do, friends. If you're watching, please like, share, subscribe, guys. I really do appreciate you guys checking out this video. If you have a mower, ATV, whatever it is, same procedure, and also you could do the same thing as well on vehicles. So go ahead and do this. Thanks, and I'm signing out. Peace.